Have you tried marinating salmon for sashimi or sushi? Chef Yama will show you this old school Tokyo recipe.
I'm going to show you zuke technique. Zuke means marinate. Let's see. 1 spoon sake, 1 spoon mirin. Then you have to take alcohol. So this base is actually for so many things. Basically our seasoning stuff is soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. This time I don't use sugar, and dashi. Smells good. Yes, alcohol is already gone. Then now you can add soy sauce. This time I will do 1.5. Then heat it up again. Now you cannot boil because soy sauce flavor is gone if it's boiling. Yes, it's already at temperature. This is about 75 degrees. And now you can add kombu, just 1 piece. Yes, you can just leave it. Or if you wanna use it right now, so you have to prepare ice water, then put it in.
Cool down faster.
Yeah, cool down faster. Okay, now I'm gonna make marinated salmon. You can prepare boiling water. Put it in 10 seconds or something. Then put it in ice water.
Quickly boiling the fish's surface before marinating is traditional Edomae Sushi technique, which enhances preservation.
To make it cold, then dry it again.
After boiling, use gloves or make sure to clean your hands before handling the fish to keep the fish bacteria free.
Then now you need a plastic bag. I have to collaborate with IKEA. Smells so good.
Use it.
You can just put it in the sack. So today I'm gonna use yuzu, but it's not easy to find. You can just use lime.
But just the skin?
Yeah, skin, but if you wanna add acidity, you can just slice lemon or lime, put it in.
So do you put like lime juice or just lime parts?
That's a very good question. If you use also juice or vinegar or acidity, meat is going to get more cooked, and that's also technique. Yeah, you can try whatever you like. And you can close it, and then no air inside. Then in restaurant, of course, we have a vacuum machine. We totally close it and put it in ice water. Then we keep it like 2, 3, 4 days, sometimes 7 days. Have to be 0 degrees that case. So today I choose salmon, but this technique is basically for tuna. But for tuna, I don't recommend to use yuzu.
What do you recommend?
Tuna, just I add bonite flake for tuna. I prefer pure taste with tuna. This is for tomorrow.
Now, marinate the fish in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 8 hours. But of course the marinating time is based on the fish's thickness and fat content. After marinating, remove the salmon from the bag and place it on a thick paper towel. Use this thick kitchen paper towel to remove excess marinade. Now, it's time to slice the marinated salmon. And yes, you can enjoy this flavorful salmon as sashimi. However, Chef Yama suggests using it to make nigiri. This is authentic Edomae sushi, or in other words, old school Tokyo sushi.
Itadakimasu. It's marked.